Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to convert different kind of decimal numbers into fractions. Without wasting time, let's start with the example. First, if we have 0.25, if you want to convert into fraction, you have to write 25 as your numerator. Then at the denominator, observe the decimal point. After the decimal point, you have one digit and this is two digits. After the decimal point, we have two digits. That's why in the denominator you have to write two zeros. After cancelling this, then you will get 1 over 4. For 0.25, the fraction form is 1 over 4. I will give one more example. 0.1875. Then just write the number in your numerator 1875 divided by, at the denominator we have to write number of digits. After the decimal point, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 digits. So that's why at the denominator you have to add 4 zeros. So like that you have to convert decimal into fraction. After cancelling this, you will get 15 over 80. So this is the fraction of this decimal. So this is easy to solve. If we have 0.3, we can write this as 3 over 10. This is so simple. We can easily write this into fraction. But if you have 0.33 and again 3 and it goes on forever. If we have like this, how can you write in fractions? I'm going to explain this. 0.333, here 3 is a repeating decimal, isn't it? So this repeating decimal is also known as a recurring decimal. And here the 3, it goes on forever. Now let's see how to convert recurring decimal into fractions. So consider this as x. So that means x equal to 0.3333 and it keep on go forever. Just consider this as equation 1. So here, which number is repeating? Only 3 is repeating. So that means here only single number is repeating. That's why you have to multiply both sides by 10. So in 10 we have only one single zero. So here we have the number 3 as a single digit. So that's why you have to add 1 0 for this one. So now multiply both sides by 10. So then you will get 10 times x, which is 10x. That is equal to 10 times 0.33333, which gives 3.33333, isn't it? And it goes so on. It consider this as equation, consider this as 2. So this is 10x value. Now what you have to do? Subtract 2 minus 1. So what is our second equation? 10x, that is 3.33333. Am I right? Now subtract the first equation, which we have 0.3333. So after subtracting left hand side, you will get 10x minus x, which gives 9x. So here 3 minus 3, which gives 0, 3 minus 3, which gives 0, 3 minus 3, which gives 0, 3 minus 3, which gives 0. Then we have a decimal point. Then 3 minus 0, which gives 3. So if you write after the decimal point as a 0, the 0 doesn't have any value. So don't take this 0, just take only 3. So 9x, that is equal to 3. Then x equal to 3 over 9. So what is our x? X we consider as 0.3333. So that instead of x we can write 0.3333. So this recurring decimal we converted into fraction. We will see one more example. If we have 0.77, this recurring decimals we can write it as like a bar. If you write bar, that means the number is repeating forever. So this is nothing but the 7 is repeating forever. So what you have to do? We consider this as x. So here, which number is repeating? Only 7 is repeating. That means single digit is repeating. That's why multiply both sides by 10. So then 10x equal to, after multiplying this times 10, then you will get 7.7777 and so on. So now what you have to do? Do subtraction. with x. So then 7 minus 7, which gives 0, and here also 0, here also 0. Then decimal point 7 minus 0, which gives 7 only. Then 10x minus x, which gives 9x. Then 9x equal to 7. Then x equal to 7 over 9. So we consider x value as 0.777. It's a recurring decimal. So we convert it into fraction, which is 7 over 9. Let's see one more example. If we have a single digit is repeating, then you are multiplying by 10, isn't it? So if we have two digits repeating, just like 0.242424, that means here how many digits are repeating? Two digits at a time, isn't it? So that here in this case you have to multiply by 100, because here two digits are repeating. So now what you have to do, just consider this as x, then multiply. Here two digits are repeating, that's why multiply by 100. Both sides multiply by 100, then you will get 0.242424 and so on times 100, which gives 24.242424, isn't it? Suppose if you have a 3-digit repeating number, just like 0.123 like that, here you have to multiply with 1 2 3 3 digits, that's why you have to write 3 zeros. So you have to multiply by 1000. Here in our question we have only 2 digits are repeating, that's why you are multiplying by 100. Now subtract this with x. This is 0.2424 and so on. If you subtract this, then you will get 100x minus x, which gives 99x, that is equal to 24. Then x equal to 24 divided by 99. This is the x value. So for this recurring decimal, the fraction form is 24 divided by 99.
Wait a minute!
I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.